Have you ever considered what an accident does to the value of your vehicle? Hi, my name is Tom Allen, the founder of Condition Now. In this video, I'm going to explain to you why selecting a body shop certified to repair your particular brand of vehicle and properly documenting those repairs is critical in getting top dollar when it comes to time to sell or trade in your existing vehicle. So everyone's seen commercials showing you how, when looking for a vehicle, the indication of an accident makes it less valuable. And while an accident certainly separates it from non-accident vehicles, the fact that it's been repaired at a certified shop by its manufacturer is the best way to ensure your vehicle is returned back to as close to pre-accident condition as possible. So how do you find these shops? Well, you can go on your favorite web browser and search for OEM certified shops for your particular brand of vehicle, or you can visit our website, conditionnow.com, to find some shops that already participate in our body shop program. Once you've located a shop in your area and your vehicle has been repaired to factory specifications, the only way to prove to the next owner that you made the right choice and that things were done correctly is by documenting those repairs directly on the vehicle's history report. If the shop you selected doesn't already participate in our body shop program, we can get them signed up almost immediately. So in summary, if you've been in an accident, the first thing you should do is find a shop that is certified to repair your particular brand of vehicle, and then make sure that they have the ability to document those repairs directly on their vehicle history report through using our system at Condition Now. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comment section or send us a message through our website at www.conditionnow.com.